Struggling with stubborn belly fat or constant bloating? The hidden reason might be inflammation inside your body.
Today, I'm sharing 7 powerful anti-inflammatory meals that support faster, natural weight loss. Chronic inflammation can slow your metabolism, increase cravings, and rates can calm inflammation and help your body return to fat-burning mode. Meal number 1, grilled salmon with leafy greens. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon helps reduce inflammation and improve metabolism naturally. Meal number 2, turmeric quinoa bowl. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound.
Meal number 3, berry chia pudding, packed with antioxidants and fiber to keep you full and satisfied.
Meal number 4, green detox smoothie. This refreshing blend supports digestion and reduces bloating.
Meal number 5, roasted vegetables with olive oil, loaded with nutrients that naturally calm inflammation.
Meal number 6, lentil and vegetable soup, high in fiber and plant protein to stabilize blood sugar. Meal number 7, avocado and tomato salad with pumpkin seeds. Healthy fats support hormone balance and long-term fat loss.
For best results, reduce processed sugar and refined oils.
They increase inflammation and slow progress. Start adding one of these meals into your routine today. Like this video and subscribe for natural weight loss tips from herbal medicine. Your transformation starts now.